Welcome back. Communication skill is the skill which differentiates best from the rest. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the 7 C's of communication. Why do you think that a good, a great and amazing communication skill is so very important? You can write in the comment section. Just write. I'm waiting to see your answers. Okay, so let's get started with the first C, that is conviction. So whensoever we are talking in front of people or even with one person or in front of camera or recording a video, we must understand that whatsoever we are speaking, whatsoever we are talking, then it should come from a place of conviction. Can you imagine that if you are sharing something but you don't believe in that, how impactful it's gonna be? There would not be any kind of impact. So conviction is the first key. The second C of communication is clarity. Many a times what happens is when we share our thoughts, when we say something, why it's not effective? Because we lack clarity in our own self. So if the thing is clear, if the clarity is inside our own self, that clarity is going to reflect it in the outside world as well. The third is confidence. Now building upon the conviction and clarity, these are the breeding grounds for the confidence. Many a times we say that I'm not confident enough while I'm talking in front of camera or with people. You know, that confidence comes from conviction. It comes from the place of clarity. So till the time you do not have that conviction, you do not have that clarity, it's very difficult to be confident. You may look confident, but there's a difference between being confident and people perceiving you as confident. So there's a huge difference. So being confident is the third C of the effective communication. The fourth C of communication is critical thinking. How many of you know the meaning of critical thinking? Most of the time what we do is we have the knowledge of very limited topics and we borrow ideas from here and there. But having an independent perspective over anything and everything, having a separate point of view, having our own ideology, which is untouched by anything, which is not based upon some other people's opinion because you believe in that. So developing that kind of critical thinking, the world is changing, the time is changing. We must develop that skill of critical thinking. We must be fast. We must have our own opinions about anything which is based upon our own concrete experiences. That's why critical thinking is very essential. Albert Einstein told that there's nothing much special about him other than the one thing, that he is passionately curious. So the next C is curiosity. Being curious about things. You know what? Curiosity is the mother of invention. When we are curious about something, we put on effort, we put on our energy, our time, and we try to figure out things. That's why curiosity is very, very essential. The sixth C of communication is connection. Whensoever we are interacting with people, sharing our ideas, people should feel a connect. And whensoever we leave the place, there should be a bond, a connection which keeps us together. So one of the primary goals of communication is building connection, building the human connection with each other to support, appreciate, and grow, to uncover each other's human potentialities. And here we come for the final C of the effective communication, that is care. You must be thinking, care? How can you say that care is so much essential? It has nothing to do with how much you know or anything as such, but people really think, and they have everything to do with how much you care about them. So whensoever we are interacting with each other and sharing our message, it should come from a place of care. Genuine care for the people, genuine love. And that care is the real differentiator. Many of you must be thinking that, but Pragya, I don't want to become a public speaker. So it's important to learn this communication skill? Yes. You are interacting with individuals. You are interacting through different digital mediums. Don't you want to be impactful? Don't you want to live your life on your own terms? Don't you want to impact people around in a very positive way with the help of your thoughts, ideas, and unique potentialities? Yes, then it is very essential for each one of you to learn all these powerful communication skills which I have shared with you. So just implement all these things. I'm also implementing in my life. You also implement, and let me know in the comment section which are those 7 C's which you have already implemented and which you are going to implement in your own life, and how it is going to transform your life. Thank you so much for watching the video. Lots of love and blessings. And before you go, just like, share and subscribe. There are many amazing stuffs coming your way. Bye bye.